Hello, my name is Crystal Chibu and I'm your Hope Catalyst. Today I'm going to be talking about how to rebuild your passion or how to make your passion come alive again. In one of my videos where I talked about how to set your goals or set the tone for 2022, somebody wanted me to share how you keep passion alive even when you realize that that passion is dwindling down or is going away, or you just really need to rebuild your passion. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure that you click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on any of the other videos that I've shared. And also, if you know someone that would need this, kindly share with them so that they can also get insight into some of the things that I will be sharing today. So back to what we are talking about today, which is basically about passion. Anyone that knows me knows that I am crazy passionate about everything that I do, and I believe that passion is one of the bedrocks that you need to be able to succeed in life, to be able to do anything at all that you want to do. So it's critical that you have it, you like almost as if the flame is burning all of the time when you're thinking of it, and you can relate whatever I'm going to be sharing with you to your relationships, to your work, to your life, and you'll really find out that it's just the same principles that guide us to ensuring that we keep our passion alive. Firstly, passion is basically something that you're enthusiastic about, something that you really care about so much, and there's so much fire, and that's why a lot of people liken passion to sex, because it's about enthusiasm and life and fire and all of that. So pretty much that's what passion is. And usually when we start things, we are really passionate about it, we're crazy about it, because there's this euphoria of you just starting something and you just go all out to make that thing happen. So that passion really begins to show, and everybody knows that you're crazy about something. But you know what happens after a while? You really realize that you start seeing that the intensity with which you're doing that thing sometimes drops, and you need to keep up that fire again. I call it filling up your passion bucket to ensure that you're able to do that thing that you're doing at the kind of optimal level you were doing it before. And like I said, passion is likened to work, it can be a relationship and all of that. So sometimes you just really see that you started a relationship and you're all out for that relationship, there's so much energy, intensity and all of that, and all of a sudden it just really goes down. So this principle that I'm going to be sharing will help you to rebuild your passion or keep the fire alive, or just literally ensure that you keep the motion going in that thing. The first thing that I'm going to say, and you will say, Krista, how does this even help me rebuild my passion, is take a break. And a lot of times, especially with work, we're putting in so much energy, we're putting in so much fire, and we really do not think we should take a break, because it feels almost as if you take a break, the thing is going to shut down, like you won't be able to get it done any longer, or it will suffer. And so because of that, we really don't get to take time for ourselves or take time off for us to relax and do something new. So it's important for you to take a break, like literally shut down, take a break from social media, take a break from that work, take a break from that relationship, take a break. No, don't take a break from your marriage. So, but pretty much just unwind and try to relax and take time off the things that are putting you, that are pressuring you at that time. And you just really see that you begin to have renewed energy, and almost as if you can do that work again. And that way you can begin to get your passion bucket refilled again when you have relaxed, when you've sometimes relaxing is just you watch a movie, you go to the beach, and you just really see that really helps you to get back on track with your passion. Secondly, I would say remind yourself of why you started. And I want to share a quick example with you. I remember that About 5 years after I started the Radio Foundation, I realized that I wanted more. Actually, I wanted a little bit more than what I had, and somehow that led me to actually losing all the fun and that I had with my work, and almost as if I just wanted to do something else. I felt like I wasn't doing enough, and that really puts me in a place where I would say my passion actually dwindled. I wasn't as excited as I was, but I had to go back to my vision. So I would say revisit why you started, revisit your purpose, revisit why you got married, revisit why you got into that relationship, or revisit why you do the work that you do at all. When you revisit that vision and you remind yourself of what it is, there is a higher chance that you have the pump of or the adrenaline that was in your system when you started, and that will help you to get back on track. Thirdly, I want you to know that you cannot go on your journey alone. You need people to support you and give you strength and energy at times. So I'll say get a mentor, get a coach. What your mentor, your coach, what they do is they are kind of like the people that cheer you on, the people that help you to realize you're getting off track, and they just literally help you to stay on track and give you things that literally almost fan your flame, as it were, and help you get the burst of energy again. So if you do not have a mentor and you're listening to me, or you do not have a coach that helps you in that area of that thing that you need passion for, it's important that you start looking around, thinking of who could it be that can help me to get on track on the things that I want to do, or someone that I can listen to, or someone that has gone ahead of me that will help me to get back on track, and that definitely will help you. Fourthly, learn to delegate. Honestly, I think that the burden of having to do most of the things yourself can be sometimes killing. And delegation, across so many things. I'll tell you one of the most beautiful examples that I think I have in things that I've learned to delegate is realizing that I need support for my home. So I'm this in the office, I'm at work, I'm the super mom, I'm the cleaner, I'm the nanny, I'm the everything. And I just realized that sometimes that puts a lot of weight and pressure on me. And when that comes in, what apparently happens is, the passion for the other things that I really want to do just begins to go down. So you want to think, in what areas of your life do you need to delegate? Do you need to get someone else to help you do one thing or the other? For the workspace, it will be, is there something that you need to outsource? I have a lot of help and a lot of people that support me, so shout out to everyone that makes my life easier, because they do one thing or the other for me. And almost what that does is it keeps your energy going in the right direction of the things that you are focused on doing. I don't manage my website, for instance, by myself, and so because that has been delegated to someone else, I have that energy to be in this video to speak with you. Also, I have the energy to lead the Radio Foundation and the other things that basically are the things that I'm crazy passionate about. So you want to ask yourself, what do I need to outsource today, or what do I need to do differently in terms of delegation? And I know that will help you. And then finally, I would say challenge yourself basically to a higher standard. And honestly, you just really need to remind yourselves, like I said, about your vision and set goals and all of that. But challenges really do help, and it helps you to become upbeat. So for instance, imagine that you are in a weight loss challenge alongside other people, and you're kind of like just running that race, not alone but with other people. So because it's a challenge, I find out that usually challenges just makes me want to do it. So it's a 7-day challenge, it's a 21-day challenge, and then every day I just see that I'm doing that. But the beautiful thing about doing a challenge or doing something consistently, what you're basically doing is you're forming a habit. So you're setting a routine in place for you to keep up your bit, energy, and all of that. And so these are some of the things that I do to get my passion level up, and to get my passion, the fire, the craziness that makes me be here with you today, just up and up and up and up. So really, if this video has helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Make sure that you share it with someone, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Have a lovely day.